Hi, today we're talking about hotel booking tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all the hotel bookings that are coming from your users. So you can see we have created a hotel database at the bottom which has the booking ID, the guest name, the check-in date, check-out date, the room number, the room type, the booking status, and the payment status along with the total amount. So this is a simple database which we have created to track the booking status. And if you scroll to the top, we have got a summarized view of what is happening exactly with the booking case. So in the upcoming section, you can see all the bookings that is going to happen today or maybe after today. So everything is being displayed here. So all the previous bookings won't be visible over here. In the current check-in, you can see that we have created three rules. Like if the check-in date is on or before yes today, or if the checkout date is on or after today, and the booking status is confirmed, then it will be visible in the current check-in. So you can see the filters that have been applied over here, and accordingly everything is showing in the current check-in status. Then we have the pending payments. So any customers who have not made any payments, those things will be visible over here. So if the booking status is confirmed but the payment amount is not being done, it will be visible over here. So if you see, we have a booking status as confirmed, and if I change this to unpaid, this will be coming up over here in this view. Then we have cancelled bookings. So this is self-explanatory. Any bookings which have been cancelled will be visible over here. Then we have room availability. So this shows all the availability of the rooms on a day-to-day basis. So you can see this calendar view and you can assess how many rooms bookings and everything you need. Okay. So besides this, I also want to highlight about a tool, PDF Output. PDF Output helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Google document which acts as a source of template file where you will define the PDF file, and it takes help of a Google Sheet or a Notion database that captures the information from the database. So basically, we will be using the Google Sheet or Notion database as a source of information for the data, and the Google document will act as a PDF file, and you can generate bulk documents with the help of that. I've added a video how you can generate the same using the same tools, and you can create professional invoices. You can watch this video to understand more, and you can definitely head over to PDF Output to understand more about this. So if you want to reach out to me, please write me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com. That is where I will able to help you out. And if you have any questions or any queries, please do reach out to me. I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you for this watching this video, and have a great day. Bye bye.